everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please smash the like button and smash the subscribe button so that whenever I drop videos like this, you'll be one of the people to get my notification first. And to our returning subscribers, I say thank you very much for joining us today. So today we want to talk about a very important topic in crypto. How can you become wealthy in crypto? Yes, it's a very, very sensitive and a very, very wonderful topic. How can you become wealthy in crypto? So I'm going to show us a video now of the man explaining how he actually made it in crypto when a lot of people were doubting him, when most of his friends they didn't believe in him, even when his bag went down as 85 minus 85%. So like all his friends, they actually did not believe in him. But guess what? You're going to find out very soon. So make sure you are following the video.
Okay, now it's crypto o'clock. Now, first, what cryptos should you buy now? I think you need to hear a little story about myself first. Now, some time ago, this young man bought a particular crypto. I told my friends, I shared it with some of my friends, but they looked down on me. They were like, "Oh, bro, this crypto is not going to make sense. This coin is going to be a shit coin. This is blah 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 blah." I invested heavily on this coin, though. I invested even more than my, will I call it, tuition fees then back in school. Now, funny enough, I was so high, I had a high hopes about this coin, but magically the crypto went down. It went as low as 85%, minus 85%. Now, my friends and family members and everybody were like telling me, "Have you seen? We told you, don't do this, don't do this." And you insisted. We told you this coin is not going to be good coin. But you had a deaf ears, okay? I felt so bad. I went back to myself. I had to struggle very hard to get back this money to pay my tuition. I had to struggle. I had to work hard just to raise this money because I couldn't get loan from anywhere. I couldn't get assistance from anybody because they all told me that we told you so, we told you so. Now, the remaining amount left for this, about 25% left of my investment, I wanted to like sell it, okay, and get some little thing, which is not even up to my investment, to maybe start up. One mind told me, no, you had a high hope about this crypto and you made your study correctly, just wait. I left the coin in my wallet. After about 8 months, this coin rose. This coin rose from minus 85% back to my initial value, the amount I bought it. Now, I was not losing anymore, but I didn't profit. Now, I was so eager at that point to sell and take your money. My friend, my very good friend told me, "Bro, sell this coin and take your money. Don't be greedy, don't be this." I told myself that since I left this coin when it went down to minus 85%, so what am I going to sell now? I've already made peace with myself that that is that. I left the coin. Now, this coin, from that point, it went down again and later rose up to like 400%, which is 4x my initial amount. When I showed my family, when I showed my friends, they were like, "Whoa, you've made it, you've made it." I told them, not yet. Because I had the company behind this coin and the owner of this coin, I had a very strong hope on him. Now, I left this coin. What did I do? I took out my initials first, as at 4x. I took out my initials. Now, remaining left, leaving others to roll. Now, in the space of less than 2 weeks, this coin, they introduced the new KOLs to this coin, new influencers. It had a TikTok influencer and every other social media page. And you know what? This coin rose to 100x its profits. And that, my friends, that is how I left the trenches for life. Now look at me now. Look at me now. Those people that said you are not good in your analysis, you don't know what to do, you're buying shit coins, you're doing all crazy stuff, you're taking unnecessary risk, They now call me every day to ask, bro, please, what's your analysis on this? Bro, please give us a coin to buy. Give me a call. Look at me now, man. I'm living my best life. I'm living a very good life. So, what is the moral of this story? The moral of this story is, if you don't have patience, then don't do crypto. Crypto deals with patience and tolerance. If you don't have patience, you are not going to get out of the trenches. You must have patience. You must be strong. You must persevere if you want to make it in crypto. Crypto is not a coming today and make money tomorrow. Yes, you can as well, but it's 1 out of 1 million. So friends, whenever you see a call and you know it is legit, it's good coin, buy it and have patience. Okay? Peace out.
As you can see in that video, you can see that most of his friends, they didn't believe in him. They actually doubted him. Even his family members, they doubted him. But he had conviction in himself. He actually edged through, even when his back was down minus 85%. He actually held through, and the market actually rewarded him greatly. So whichever coin you are actually holding, be it WeCat coin, be it OCCAT, be it Ethereum, be it Bitcoin, any coin, any cryptocurrency you're actually holding, kindly hold on to it, because the biggest bull run in 2026 is around the corner, and it's going to start in Q4 of 2026. And two things are going to trigger it: the interest rate cut plus the liquidity injection from the Federal Reserve. And you don't want to miss this 2026 crypto bull run. It's going to be the loudest, it's going to be the biggest. Make sure you don't miss it. Thank you very much for watching today's content. See you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more of this content. Bye for now.